Hi everybody, welcome back. Attorney Steve Vondran. Welcome to another exciting episode of Attorney Tools of the Trade. Tools of the Trade. Okay, I got a great website here to show you today, AppearMe.com. You know, when you're a new lawyer, it can be tough to get out of the gate, get some business going, make some contacts, get some cases working with clients. We're speaking about being a solo attorney. When I started out a long time ago, a couple decades ago now, I started out by sending leads. I got leads from the Department of Real Estate, all the new brokers, and I was a real estate broker myself. So I started out sending out all these postcards, offering to set up new real estate brokers with the contracts and the things they would need and the compliance issues and all that. So it could be hard to get started out here, but I found this website. I like to help my peeps out here. This may be a good way to get your foot out there, get your foot in the door, start meeting some attorneys, start meeting some other clients, building your skills. AppearMe, let's take a look. All right, so I signed up for this just to check it out. I'm not looking for business, believe it or not. I get plenty of business, but this is a new site that I came across, and like everything legal, I check it out. I set up an account. You can log in either as a consumer if you're looking for something, but I log in as a legal professional if you're a new lawyer or a solo attorney, or this is what you want to look at. So anyway, it's very simple. I found you go down over here, you set up your information for your profile. You can put some work samples and things if you want. That's up to you. You can put your hourly rate. That's my hourly rate that varies. Could go higher, could go lower. You set up your firm. If you have a firm, get it out there, what you do, where you have, all that stuff. So once you sign up, and I'll just show you there, this is your typical website, payment history. You can set up some settings. They have different plans that you can offer that you can go for. I'll show you here. So you can get a free or an early bird. This is, I just kind of signed up with the free account to check it out. You can see some of the things they're offering. But what I like here is the jobs. You can get jobs sent to you, okay? So I set it up here just to see what it was like. You can see no reviews, anything like that. But, and they were kind of limited on the business areas. They don't really go into specifics. Like I would like to have intellectual property and entertainment law in here. There's no category for that. So some improvements maybe they could make. But anyway, once you get signed up, you will get notifications coming to you. If you want to set up the notifications, that's up to you. But what it does then is other attorneys are looking for people to go, do a deposition or make a courthouse appearance. Here's one uploaded 5 hours ago. It's a new appearance in Santa Monica. Okay, that was one of the offices I set to check it out. So this will actually get emailed to you or texted to your. So anyway, it's pretty cool that it will come right to your email. So you may be sitting around on a Thursday afternoon going, hey, is there any, I'm not making any money today. I've got bills. The lights are on. They just ordered a box of bagels. Who's going to pay for all this? You might come in here and go, well, what's this? Okay. Now this is closed for whatever reason, but this is an example. There's a status conference regarding alternative dispute resolution, discovery scheduled, so they're giving you some details of the case. Mediation has not been conducted. This is in case the judge asks you some things at the hearing. So they're giving you this. So you walk in, you're making a special appearance on behalf of the attorney of record. And so they have all kinds of things. The ones I like are the depots. If I was a new lawyer, I would be looking for these new depots. I like this because I love depots. I think they're the funnest thing in the practice of law. So this one's already claimed as well. So you got to jump on them as you see. But this was February 5th. It's a civil case, Clay versus Zatulovsky. It's in Ventura, Calabasas, second floor. We don't need transcripts. Please take detailed and typed notes. Do not make the client feel as though they are not represented by counsel. By the way, for counsel, you need to be a little careful about this stuff ethically. You want to make sure your clients are aware of what's going on. So they paid you to hire them. So be careful about that, okay? But they have docs for the depot. I don't know if that's actually going to take you there, but this would all be emailed to you, and there you have it. There it is, $240. They would estimate. When you get it on your phone, it usually gives you a little more. They're estimating 4 hours. It's $60 an hour. But it's a real cool thing, and I'll show you. It kind of just shows up in your email box. I'll show you that. All right, so here's an example of what you might see. So total estimated price, February 5th, 10 a.m. in the morning, $60 an hour. This is kind of weird. 0 hours authorizes, but they're scheduled for 4 hours. You know, and the depot could go longer, could go shorter. You can have typically up to 7 hours in California. California, there it is. They're giving you the directions. Please add if you want to try to grab this lead, go for it. Documents. Wow. Do I get to actually see the documents? That's very interesting. Well, that doesn't look great. So, wow. I mean, I'm actually seeing that. Now, this is a little bit weird, actually. I'm seeing correspondence. So that's, you need to be careful as new lawyers for attorney-client privilege communications. Do not be posting those online like this. That would not be good. I'm not saying they're doing it. I'm just saying be careful of that. But here you have, open for the world to see are the documents. Looks like there's something to do with an insurance company. We got evidence. We got some photos. We even got photos of the case. Wow. So you guys, be very careful about posting this kind of stuff on the internet. Yeah. Very interesting. Very interesting. So all kinds of photos. Yeah, me as an attorney, I probably wouldn't be posting those online unless I was 1,000% sure there was no privacy, nothing with a social security number. Okay, we got litigation. So wow, I mean, this is really the whole enchiladas up here. But anyway, guys, I just wanted you to see that. It's a neat way to me to get out there, to get new jobs, to meet other attorneys, to interface with court reporters, to get your deposition skills under order, improving every day, and to actually just get out there and start making some money. Some money, that's what you need to get that, pay those bills and make some money. It's a great way to start. I started out on very simple, modest terms. If I was a younger attorney, I would be looking for these depositions because I think that would be a lot of fun. But then also think, to do a deposition properly, don't forget you have ethical rules of competency and knowing what you're doing. So if you're taking a case that you know nothing about, say it's a personal injury case, and you say, well, I don't know much about personal injury, but I'll do it. You have a duty of competency, so you need to be real careful. I mean, I really like this program. I love the concept. But again, you may need to do background research before you go do the deposition. You may need to understand the case details, the case facts, more than just a cursory, hey, show up, I'm your deposition attorney here. So if there's anything that I think, in my opinion, might be a shortfall, it is that. But for new lawyers, check it out. This may be something for you, but make sure you're doing everything you can do to be the most ethical attorney. And if you're doing this, be straight up with the client. I would also want to make sure with the attorney that the client is aware that I'm going to be here. Sometimes this is important to have in your retainer agreement where you say, hey, we may use contract attorneys. That's something important to put in your retainer agreements with your clients. So check it out, guys. AppearMe, it looks promising. I think there's some things you need to be careful about, but it looks pretty cool. If I was a young attorney, I'd probably go out and start taking a couple depots a day, maybe 2 depots a day if I could work it out. So anyway, there it is. Attorney Steve, tools of the trade, general legal information only, not legal advice. Check it out. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share this video with your legal gurus. All right. Have a great day. I got to run.